The title of this video is Chicory Plant Audit, Blood Purification, Digestive Clarity, and Ancestral Infrastructure. I'm standing in front of one of my chicory plants that kind of died back. It's getting late to mid-October, and you can see it that went into flowering, but it was a lot larger, but they died back in this season. And this video documents the health and metaphysical benefits of the chicory plant, a resilient perennial known for its bitter wisdom and deep-rooted healing. In this video, we format this audit for remnant teaching, covenant enforcement, and breakthrough activation. Topics include liver support, digestive restoration, and metaphysical clarity tied to ancestral detox and boundary enforcement. Timestamp declaration and legacy formatting include. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the health benefits that this chicory plant is known for. You're focusing on your liver and gallbladder support. Chicory root stimulates bile production and detoxifies the liver. Digestive restoration also is what it's known for. High in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that nourishes gut flora and improves bowel function. It's known for its blood purification. Antioxidant compounds help cleanse the blood and improve circulation. It also has anti-inflammatory effects. The Chicoric acid and polyphenols reduce inflammation and support joint health. It's very good for cardiovascular strength, may lower cholesterol and support heart health through improved blood flow. It's very good for skin and bone support. Used traditionally to soothe skin irritation and reduce rheumatic pain. The metaphysical benefits of this plant is that it's known for its bitter wisdom infrastructure. The plant's bitterness marks spiritual discernment, boundary enforcement, and ancestral detox. Then you're looking at rootedness audit. It has a deep tap root, symbolizing hidden provision, generational healing, and covenant anchoring. And then it talk about the blue frequency witness. And that's what we're showing you here, where you're looking at the flower. The flower's color activates clarity, truth, and prophetic exposure. It's good for digestive clarity format. Used to clear spiritual stagnation, confusion, and emotional buildup. And then it's known for its resilience curriculum, thrives in disturbed soil, formatting breakthrough under suppression and neglect. And is also known as one of the bitter herbs in the